Hey, let's talk about estrogen. We're going to talk about 10 cool facts about estrogen. We talk a lot about estrogen, but the more you know, the more you grow, right? So let's go. Let's hit it down. One, estrogen keeps your heart healthy. Women have a lower risk of heart disease before menopause, and we know this largely thanks to estrogen, right? Because estrogen helps keep the blood vessels flexible. It supports a healthy cholesterol balance. Number two, estrogen boosts brain power. Estrogen increases blood flow and helps brain cells communicate. That's why it influences memory, focus, mood, and why brain fog can hit hard when levels fluctuate. Okay. Number three, it supports serotonin, your feel good neurotransmitter. Remember, estrogen is our own natural antidepressant. It helps your brain use serotonin more effectively, which is part of why mood and sleep can shift when your estrogen is changing in perimenopause, in menopause, when we have a baby, right? When we go from a high estrogen state to a low. Number four is estrogen protects your bones. Estrogen helps your body absorb calcium and maintains bone density. And that's why, right, we don't want osteoporosis. We don't want osteopenia. And hormone replacement therapy is FDA approved to what? Prevent osteoporosis. Prevent. Number five, it improves your hair and skin. Yes, yay. Estrogen boosts collagen and skin elasticity, making it a key player in its natural glow. That's why many women notice skin changes in midlife when the estrogen starts to deplete. They'll say to me, I was fine yesterday. Today I look in the mirror and everything is a mess. Number six is estrogen supports metabolism. It doesn't slow it down, it supports it. Estrogen actually helps you regulate fat distribution, muscle maintenance, and insulin sensitivity. The goal isn't to lower estrogen, it's to optimize it. Seven is strengthens your immune system. If you haven't listened to estrogen in the immune system, that we talked about our YouTube, you should go listen to it because this is amazing. It modulates inflammation and it helps your body mount a strong balanced immune response. Number eight, it keeps your joints happy. Remember that low estrogen is linked to joint stiffness and aches. Remember what we said, some of the first signs of perimenopause is frozen shoulder and plantar fasciitis, right? And a lot of times when we give women back estrogen or we optimize the estrogen, those go away. So it keeps your joints happy. Number nine, it's not just a female hormone. Men have estrogen too, and it's actually crucial for bone health, libido, and even brain function, right? They just have smaller amounts. Number 10, there's more than one kind of estrogen. You actually have three types of estrogen: estradiol E2, which is dominant in your reproductive years, estrone E1, which is what rises after menopause, and estriol E3, which shows up in pregnancy and healing. Each play a different role in how your body feels and functions. So the next time someone says estrogen is the problem, you can tell them that it's actually one of the reasons we thrive. It's not about fear, it's about understanding your hormones and learning how to work with them. Okay. If you want to learn more about estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, right? If you're in your midlife, even if you're menopausal and you want to learn more about it, we have a free masterclass and we go over all of it, all the goods about each one of them, how they play a role. So join our The Truth About Perimenopause. And listen, if you haven't watched our episode on estrogen and the immune system, go watch it because it's pretty impressive. The things that estrogen do are pretty impressive, but some of it we're not familiar with. So until next time.